What if you could stream your favorite movies in stunning 4K, load apps faster than ever, and even play cloud-based games without paying a premium price? Meet Amazon's brand new Fire TV Stick 4K Select, a powerful little device that redefines budget streaming. Amazon has expanded its Fire TV lineup once again, and the 4K Select is the newest addition. Think of it as the sweet spot between the entry-level HD stick and the feature-packed Fire TV Stick 4K Max. It's designed for people who want the sharpness of 4K Ultra HD and HDR10 Plus without stretching their budget. Under the hood, the Fire TV Stick 4K Select comes with a faster processor than the HD model, which means apps launch quickly and navigation feels smoother. Just like the price of your 4K stick, it packs 8 GB of storage for your apps and streaming services. The design stays simple. Plug it into your TV's HDMI port, power it via USB-C, and you're ready to stream. The included Alexa voice remote makes it easy to search for shows, launch apps, or even control your smart home, all hands-free. Plus, there are dedicated shortcut buttons for top services like Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video. One difference you should know about: while the 4K Max supports Wi-Fi 6, the 4K Select is limited to Wi-Fi 5. That means it's still reliable, but if your home network is crowded, you might notice slightly longer load times. But here's where things get really interesting. The Fire TV Stick 4K Select isn't running on the old Fire TV OS anymore. Instead, it introduces Amazon's brand new Vega OS. This lightweight, Linux-based system is built for speed and simplicity. For developers, it means creating apps is easier than ever, thanks to support for JavaScript and React. For you, the viewer, the interface looks and feels familiar, but it's faster, smoother, and built for the future. And it doesn't stop at streaming. The Fire TV Stick 4K Select also supports cloud gaming services like Amazon Luna and Xbox Cloud Gaming. So whether you're binge watching a new series or jumping into a quick gaming session, this tiny stick has you covered. Best of all, the Fire TV Stick 4K Select comes in at just $49.99. Pre-orders are live now on Amazon, with shipping expected to begin in mid-October. It's an impressive package at a price point that makes 4K streaming more accessible than ever. So, would you upgrade to the Fire TV Stick 4K Select? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech that shapes your world.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.